welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. So this is the best news I've gotten in 11 months, and that is our engine is done and ready to go. So we took it to a specialty engine builder, Baldwin Racing Engines. Here's his YouTube channel. Make sure you guys go follow him. He makes some amazing dirt track engines. And he put forged pistons and rods and a new cam, new lifters. Basically the whole motor was stripped down to the block and rebuilt from the ground up completely differently. We lowered our RPM range. We aimed for a lower end torque, a little bit cooler compression ratio. Hopefully this time I can get a dyno tune. I did not dyno tune it last time, so you know, but I'm gonna get a dyno tune this time before I actually take it out on the road. And then we are going to rebuild everything else on the car. So make sure you guys stay tuned, because I'm going to be dropping little snippets of video here and there. I'm not gonna record everything because I just don't have time. I need to get this car back together because the next event I want to go to is August 5th, I think. Not enough time. I don't have enough time, but I'm gonna make it happen. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe to Baldwin Racing Engines YouTube channel. He is an awesome guy and he did a wonderful job on this new motor. So I will catch you guys next time.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive